Hello everyone, I'm Namjas Kaur and I'm a student of class 11th and I'm from Amity International School Sector 46 Gurugram. So today I'm going to be talking about one of the most important topics that need to be addressed urgently, and it's cyber security and safety. So cyber security by definition refers to the technologies and the processes which are designed to protect your computer, your data and the networks from the unauthorized access and the attacks which are delivered via internet by the cyber criminals. We know that the world is increasingly interconnected and we all share an equal responsibility of securing the cyberspace, and it's known that prevention is better than cure. But still, there are so many cyber crimes which are committed throughout the world unfailingly, especially by the youth of the country. And there are crimes like cyberbullying, threats, hacking, phishing, and unauthorized access. Viruses are another dimension to it. Computer virus is a program or a piece of code which gets embedded onto your computer and can take full control of your system. It can slow down your computer. So there are a few common types of viruses like macroviruses. Now macrovirus is written in a macro language and gets embedded into the softwares like word processors. There are worms which can be transferred easily from one computer into another. And there is this Trojan, which is one of the most harmful virus because it can expose all your files to the others to share and tamper with. But the question is how and why we need to be safe from all this. So I believe in two things. One is practice and one is preaching. Now practicing. The first thing is to be vigilant on the cyberspace wall, right? We need to know that what things we should share on the cyberspace and what things should be personal, what should be the privacy awareness that we need to have in our mind. Now, there's one small tip that we can practice of having a password of good amount of characters so that you can be safe from it. You can be safe from the cyber attack anytime. And the second one is preaching. Now, preaching means spreading awareness. We know that we all are the future change makers, and there is a dire need that we practice and preach what things are required by the youth of the country, how we can protect them all, because cybersecurity is really an intense and a serious topic because it can really affect a person's life. So cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and it boils down to this, that the more systems we secure, the more secure we all are. Thank you.